So in a sunny area where there's probably a beach, probably California, or maybe it is in Texas, we see this beautiful black matte Cybertruck go all around, and it's actually pretty nice. The wrapping is really nice. So this video is from a Tesla owner driving behind a Cybertruck. Look how fast it goes. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is not the Pope. This is actually Elon Musk inside a Cybertruck. He's so smart, showing off the trucks, showing off its edges, how beautiful it looks at the F1 race. Everybody's just astonished. Look at the light on the front light. It's so big. Alright, so this guy captured the Cybertruck at night. Oh, it's going out. Those lights are gonna be freaking hella beautiful at night. The backlight. Ah, look at this guy. He's looking at the Tesla Cybertruck parked. Probably in Texas. Probably charging the Cybertruck. Getting there from all angles. Look how beautiful that car is. The light from the poles just shining on the Cybertruck as it turns around in certain areas is just really nice. Yep, he's charging the car, ladies and gentlemen. This Cybertruck is being charged, and it looks like it's a version 3 supercharger. Just imagine it goes up to 500 miles or so on the track. How long it'll take you to charge? Oh, it's carrying stuff. It's able to tow, ladies and gentlemen. Probably been charging, and now we see it with its towing stuff. It's a pretty, really nice truck. It's probably a dual motor. Oh man,